How to cash out on PrizePicks. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can cash out on PrizePicks. First of all, you need to make sure that your account is verified, as when you try to add money or withdraw money, you will be required to verify your account. For that, you need to provide your government issued ID and your smartphone. And after verification, just simply click on this option of your profile at the top right hand side corner. And in case if you are on mobile application of PrizePicks, then just simply click on the three lines at the top left hand side corner. And this is how it will appear. Now over here, you will be able to find the option of request withdrawal. Now just simply click on it. And this way you would be able to add a payment method. Just add any suitable payment method which is required by PrizePicks. After adding that, you will be able to withdraw money using that particular method. Now also make sure that you utilize all the funds that you deposit, otherwise you won't be able to withdraw. And when I said that, I meant that whenever you deposit $100 and only utilize $50 out of it, then you won't be able to withdraw. In order to withdraw, you need to utilize whole $100, and only after that you will be able to withdraw. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.